Now, let us start with the next part of the chapter, P block elements. We were talking about group 17, that is halogens. Today we will talk about preparation of chlorine. It can be prepared by following methods. Number 1, by heating manganese dioxide with concentrated HCl. We get chlorine here. However, you can also use a mixture of common salt and concentrated sulfuric acid in place of HCl. So then the products will be MnCl2, NHSO4, water and chlorine. Can also be prepared by the action of HCl on potassium permanganate. Can also be prepared by Deccan's process. It is oxidation of HCl by atmospheric oxygen in the presence of copper chloride at 723 Kelvin. Chlorine is also obtained by the electrolysis of brine solution. Chlorine is liberated at anode. It is also obtained as a byproduct in many chemical industries. Properties of chlorine. It is greenish yellow gas with pungent, suffocating smell and soluble in water. It reacts with number of metals and non-metals to form their chlorides. With aluminium, it forms aluminium chloride. With sodium, sodium chloride. With iron, ferric chloride. With phosphorus, phosphorus chloride. And with sulfur, sulfur chloride. It has a great affinity for hydrogen. It reacts with compounds containing hydrogen to form HCl. With hydrogen, it forms HCl. With H2S, it forms HCl. And with hydrocarbon also, it forms HCl. With excess of ammonia, it forms ammonium chloride and nitrogen. But if chlorine is taken in excess, then the products are NCl3 and HCl. With cold and dilute alkali, chlorine forms NaCl, NaOCl and water. However, with hot and concentrated alkali, it gives NaCl, NaClO3 and water. With dry silicate lime, that is calcium hydroxide, it forms bleaching powder CaOCl2 whole twice, calcium chloride and water. The composition of bleaching powder is CaOCl whole twice dot calcium chloride dot calcium hydroxide dot 2H2O. Chlorine reacts with hydrocarbons to give substitution products. For example, with methane in the presence of UV light, it forms chloromethane. With ethene at room temperature, it forms chloroethane. Then oxidizing agents. Chlorine acts as a oxidizing agent. It oxidizes ferrous ions to ferric ions, sulfite ions to sulfate ions, sulfur dioxide to sulfate, iodine to iodic acid. It is a powerful bleaching agent and the bleaching action is due to oxidation. Chlorine on reaction with water gives us nascent oxygen. This oxygen is responsible for bleaching action of the material. So colored substance on reaction with this oxygen changes to colorless substance. Uses of chlorine. Used for bleaching of wood pulp, cotton, textiles, extraction of gold, platinum, manufacture of dyes, drugs, organic compounds, sterilizing of drinking water, preparation of poisonous gases such as phosphine, tear gas, and mustard gas. Preparation of HCl. HCl can be prepared in the laboratory by heating sodium chloride with concentrated sulfuric acid. It forms NaHSO4 plus HCl. This NaHSO4 further reacts with more of NaCl to form HCl. HCl gas thus obtained can be dried by passing through concentrated sulfuric acid. Properties: it is colorless, pungent smelling gas, easily liquefied to a colorless liquid, extremely soluble in water to give hydronium ions. It reacts with ammonia to give white fumes of ammonium chloride. With aqua regia, that is 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated HNO3, it also dissolves noble metals such as gold and platinum. You can see the reaction with gold, H ions, nitrate ions and chloride ions will give CuCl4 negative plus NO plus water. Similarly with platinum also, same type of complexes are formed. It decomposes salts of weaker acids, for example those of carbonates, bicarbonates and sulfides. You can see the decomposition reaction. Sodium carbonate with HCl gives sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide. Similar are the products with hydrogen carbonates. With sodium sulfide, it forms sodium chloride, water and sulfur dioxide. It is used in the manufacture of chlorine, ammonium chloride and glucose. Also used for extracting glue from bones, purifying bone black in medicines and as a laboratory agent. Oxo acids of halogens. Fluorine forms only one oxo acid, HOF, known as fluoric acid. However, other halogens form a number of oxo acids. You can see the various oxo acids in this table. Fluorine is forming only one, HOF. Chlorine can form HOCl, HClO2, HClO3 and HClO4. Br forms HBRO, HBRO3, HBRO4. Iodine can form HOI, HiO3 and HiO4. These are the structures of oxo acids. Hypochlorous acid is like this, HOCl, or there may be any halogen attached here. Then HClO2, you can see HCl, it is this type of structure. Cl can be replaced. Then HClO3, the structure is of like this. Here also in place of Cl there can be Br or I also, and this is HClO4. So these are the structures of oxo acids. Thank you.